Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to do a bead haul. Let's start. First we have these red beads. They are 6 millimeters. Next up are these beads. These white beads are 8 millimeters. They are pretty good for making bags, and the hole is pretty big. Next up are these beads. Pretty good, pretty shiny. Next up are these red beads. They're crystal beads. They're perfect for bracelets and keychain. They're very shiny and pretty. Next up is this gold chain. It's for the bag I'm working on. Next up are these dark red beads. They're pretty shiny and perfect for bags or keychains. Next up are these red beads, 8 millimeter. But the hole is pretty small. I don't like that. These green beads are next. Next up are these moon charms. Next up are these headbands, and they're pretty sturdy, as you can see. Next up are these rhinestones. I'm working on a phone case with rhinestones. If you want to see this project, just say phone case in the comments. Next item is this glue. I'm going to use this for the phone case rhinestone thing. Next up are these purple beads, 6 millimeter crystal. Next up we have these coffee color beads. The next item is this thread, 2 millimeters. It's used for bracelets. Next up are these magnets. They are used for bracelets. They are heart-shaped. Next we have these black beads. They are for millimeters. Next up are these purple beads. Very shiny and pretty. They're also for millimeters. And last but not least, we have these purple beads. They are 6 millimeters, perfect for bracelets. Thank you for watching. I will see y'all on the next video. Bye.